What's the meaning of cannibalistic? Cannibalistic. Cannibalistic.
Cannibalistic. Cannibalistic. The term cannibalistic is an adjective that describes a behavior in which one member of a species consumes all or part of another member of the same species. The result of such behavior can vary depending on the context. In some cases, it may be a natural or necessary process for survival, such as in certain insect populations or during times of food scarcity. However, in other contexts, cannibalism can be considered taboo or morally repugnant. Human cannibalism, for example, is widely condemned and often associated with extreme violence, fetishism, or mental illness.